So we are going to take a look at the development of the liver, and the liver is one of the accessory organs of the GI tract that forms from the endoderm of the gut tube, the endoderm of the foregut in particular. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now this is the foregut, and we are looking at the embryo from the side. So this is the dorsal side. This is the ventral side. Okay, this is cranial, or the cranial end, and this is the caudal end. This is the stomach, of the primitive stomach, and this is the primitive duodenum. Here dorsally, this is the dorsal mesogastrium, and or the dorsal mesenteries in general. So behind the stomach, this is the dorsal mesogastrium. The part behind the stomach is called the dorsal mesogastrium, and the part that's connected to the duodenum is the dorsal mesoduodenum. And the entire structure is called the dorsal mesenteries. And as we know, in addition to the dorsal mesenteries, on the ventral side of the foregut, the septum transversum, as we said, forms the ventral mesogastrium. So this is a septum mesogastrium forming the ventral mesogastrium. So how does the liver develop? Actually, the liver develops from the endoderm of the gut tube and as a bud called the liver bud or the hepatic diverticulum. And this bud actually forms as an outgrowth from the foregut, and it grows into the substance of the ventral mesogastrium or the septum transversum. So this is the liver bud. It grows from the foregut into the septum transversum, and then it will start to grow further, forming the liver and its associated structures. So the liver is going to start to grow and form these projections into the septum transversum, and it will start to increase in size and expand, and its connection with the foregut will narrow down into a narrow duct, which will form the bile duct. So the connection of the liver bud to the foregut will narrow down into a narrow duct, which is the bile duct.